Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. Alright, so first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on About Phone. Here let's localize MIUI version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. I know that this step may be quite confusing, but no worries, it is actually crucial in order to find proper option. So after tapping we have to scroll down to almost very bottom to find additional settings. Let's tap on it. And now scroll down to the very bottom this time. As you can see, we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we have to simply scroll down just a little bit to find the proper option. Just a quick disclaimer, we've got the video tutorial of how to enable developer options, how to turn them off, and how to customize them. So if you want to learn more, I highly recommend to check it because I've just recorded it. Here all you have to do is to simply scroll down in order to find automatic system updates. As you can see, this option in my case is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from now on your device is actually allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't really have to remember about updating your device, so finding the updates and so on, but you have to remember to restart your device from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.